Welcome back to another weekly dose of aviation. This Airbus A320 landing at Zurich Airport had to abort because of the stormy conditions. This was the second attempt. These US Navy Blue Angels jets showing off over a crowded beach. This Airbus A321 landing in Mexico City had to go around at the last second.
300 minimum. 200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. Retard. Retard.
This P-51 Mustang flying in formation, seen from the pilot's point of view. This Cessna 185 equipped with skis landing on a frozen lake. Click the video on the screen to see more. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.